Yeah. So listen carefully. The complementary angle, what we have done in the complementary angle, very simple. Summation is what? 90 degree. Summation is what? 90 degree. So PQR is 90 degree. In that, if we create two angles, sum of two angles is 90 degree. If we create 8 angles, again summation of 8 angle is what? 90 degree. Then that is what are complementary angles. Understood? Is it clear? The next is what? Next to that, we have discussed about the what example. That is what example of what? Angle ABC is 40 degree, angle PQR is 50 degree. So 40 and 50, two separate angles. If the summation of these two angles become 90 degree, then we can say that these two angles are what? The complementary angles. They are the what? Complementary angle. If we talk about the example number 1, see this is what they have given. Find the measures of the what? Complement of an angle. Find the measures of the what? Complement of an angle of what? Measures 70 degree. What they have given measures is what? 70 degree. So just try to understand this one. Very, very simple and very useful. Find the measures of the what? Complement of an angle of what? Measures 70 degree. I need complementary angle of 70 degree angle. I need what? Complementary angle of 70 degree angle. So what we can do, we can take, let x, will consider what? X as a variable, and that will work as a what? The complementary angle. That will work as a what? Complementary angle. So what they have written is this. Let the measures of the complementary angle be x. So very simple. If I will add that 70 degree with x, that become what? 90 degree. Say similar manners. Try to understand at this, please. See, if someone will say that ABC and PQ are the complementary angles. If ABC is 40 degrees, so what is PQR? Understood what I'm creating the question?
50 degree.
Understood. So if ABC is 40 degree, what is PQR? If both the angles are what? Forming a complementary angle, 50 degree. So very simple. In a similar manner, we have to understand at this, please. They have given one angle that is 70 degree. We need what? Another angle. Okay, another angle of what? The complementary part. So what we will do, we will take it as a what? X. We'll take it as a what? X. And what we will do? Very simple, very, very simple. We will take it as a x, we will add 70 plus x, and we will write that is equal to 90 degree because of the complementary angle. We'll take 70 on that side. So say this, you can see that x is as it is, 70 on that side. We have taken what? 70 on that side. So what we get? 90 minus 70 is what? 20 degree. At this place, what they have done? What is the different thing that they have done? To remove this 70 from the left hand side, they have taken what? Minus 70. So if they are taking minus 70 to the left hand side, so they has to what? Take right hand side also what? Minus 70. Understood? So because of this minus 70 and this plus 70 will get cancelled, and then 90 minus 70 become what? 20 degree angle. I hope this one is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good.
No, sir.
Good. So measures of the what? Complement of an angle of the what? Measure 70 degree is given, and the second angle is what? 20 degree. Understood? Is it clear? Okay. Suppose sometimes instead of giving angles in the form of what? Degree, if they will what? Give in what? In the form of what? Variables. Try to understand what I'm saying. Sometimes instead of angle what? In terms of degree, okay, they will what? Given what? Variable. This is what in a numerical, right? This is what 70 degree. That is what numbers. But at this place, what we have? Variables with numbers. Combination of the what? Numbers and the variable. In that situations, what you can do? Just try to understand. Very simple. They have given the measures of the angle are what? A plus 15 degree and the 2A degree are the what? Complementary. They have clearly said what? These two angles are the complementary angle. These two angles are what? The complementary angle. What is the measures of each angle? What is the measures of what? Each angle. What I'm saying? What is the measures of each angle? So very simple. We are going to add these two angles. So when we add these two angles, summation become what? 90 degree, because in the question they have given what? The complementary angle. So we will what? Write the sum is equal to 90 degree. When we solve this, we will take variable together and the numbers together. So a plus 2a, that become 3a, and 15 is as it is. In next step, what we have done, we have taken 15 to the right hand side. So 90 minus 15 become what? 75. Yes or no? That 15 will go on that side. That become what? 90 minus 15. That becomes 75. And on left hand side, what you will get? 3a only. Okay, so 3a is equal to 75. Very simple. At the end, what you will get? A is equal to 25. You will get what? A is equal to 25. Yes or no? So A plus 15, that is equal to 25 plus 15, that is equal to 40 degree. A plus 15, that is equal to 25 plus 15, that is equal to 40 degree. And very simple, say this. First angle is A plus 15. So we have taken A plus 15. A is 25. B is C. 15 is as it is. 25 plus 15 is 40 degree. Second angle is 2A. So 2A is as it is. In place of A, we have substituted 25. So 2 into 25, that becomes 50 degree. And 50 plus 40 is 90 degree. Yes or no? Is it clear or difficult?
No, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes.
Okay. So now we will start the practice at 16. Practice at 16. Just try to understand.
Yes, sir.
First question of practice at 15. What they have given? So this. We talk about the first question, very simple. They have given 40 degree. What they have given? 40 degree angle they have given. If we read the question, just try to understand. If we read the question, that is what question number 1, what they have given. The measures of the sum angles are given below. The measures of the sum angles are given below. Write the measures of their what? Complementary angle. Write the measures of the what? Their complementary angle. Write the measures of the what? Their complementary angle. Understood? So very simple. At this place, we will write let the complementary. Okay, so I'm not writing the complete spelling of the complementary. I'm writing COMP. Okay, complementary angle B H. You have to write the complete spelling. Okay, therefore 40 plus X, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, may possible there are few students, they will say that, sir, is it necessary that we have to take X only every time X? No, if you like M, you can take M, that is also okay. If you want to take R, you can take R also, no issues. If you want to take P, you can take P also, no issues. Understood? You can take any variable at this place. You have to define one variable, and that variable you have to find, and that become your the complementary angle. Understood? So I'm writing X at this place. Okay, so I'm writing X at this place. So 40 plus X is equal to 90 degree. 40 is at what the same place, that is equal to 90, and then there is a what? 40 degree. That 40 will go on right hand side, and that will come to the right hand side. Because of the positive, it will come to the what? Right hand side, that become what? Negative 40 degree. Is it clear? So when we subtract 40 degree from 90 degree, what we get? 50 degree angle.
50 degree.
So very simple, X is 50 degree angle. At the end, what you have to do? At the end, you have to write in this way. Answer the complementary angle of 40 degree is 50 degree. In this way, you have to write as a final statement of this solution. I hope this one is clear. Yes or no? Everyone's reply yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Very good. Very good.
Yes.
So
Yes,
do
sir.
one thing.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you 1 minute. You have to write each and everything in your notebook. Write it fast.
Sir, completed.
Sir.
Completed.
Very good. Very good.
Sir, I have
Can we solve?
Good. Good. Now you can start solving
solve next?
question number C, second one. That is what 63. Start solving 63. I'm giving you 1 minute. You have to write
Sir,
each and
27.
listen carefully what I'm saying. As I have written the solution, you have to write in a similar manner each and every step. See, it is very easy. If anyone will ask me what is the complementary of 55, simply I can answer them. That is what 35. If anyone will ask me what is complementary of 20 degree, very simple, I can give the answer, that is 70 degree. But no use of that, right? We are not writing any competitive exams right now. What we are doing, we have to write these questions in what? Our exams, right? That is what written exam. So written exams need what? Each and every step of the what? Solution. So you have to practice each and every step. Understood what I'm saying? Yes or no? So just make a habit of writing.
Yes.
Okay, make a habit of writing each and every step. So start solving for the what? 60-degree angle, 45-degree angle, 55-degree angle, 20-degree angle, 90-degree angle, and at the end, x-degree angle. So do one thing. I'm going to solve x-degree angle right now. Okay, I'm going to explain x-degree angle right now. Apart from these two, remaining things you can solve. I guess you can solve easily. Yes or no? Even
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to solve for 90-degree also.
Sir, we have to solve that in our notebook.
Yes. I'm going to solve 6th and 7th question both. Why? I'm telling you. See this. If we talk about the 6th question, see this. They have given (90°). Yes or no? So at this place again we will write let the complementary angle be, let's say I'm writing M. I like this letter, so I'm writing M. Okay, I'm using M at this place. So let the complementary angle be M. Therefore, 90 plus M, that is equal to, summation is 90°. One more thing you can do. One minute. Huh? You can do one more thing. Whenever you will write the step now, that is what you have to do. You have to mark a line in this way and you have to write inside bracket reason. That is because of the complementary angle we are writing this one. This step is possible because of the complementary angle. So you have to mention the reason also. Understood what I'm saying? And this is the correct method to writing the word complementary angle. So again, I'm going to write at this place what? Reason. Why I have written summation is 90°? Because in the question, they have mentioned these two angles as what? Complementary of each other. So we will write at this place reason as a what? Complementary angle. Okay. Now, M is at the same place. 90, this 90 is also what? On a same place. If we talk about this one, if we talk about the what? Left hand side 90°. When we take what to the right hand side, that become what? Minus 90. What we get at the end? What we get at the end? Anyone answer me?
0.
0°.
Zero
Very
degree.
good. 0° angle. We get 0°
Zero.
angle. Okay.
Zero.
So this is what the our angle value.
0°.
Good. And at the end, what you have to write in the answer format, you have to write the complementary of 90° is 0°. The complementary of 90° is 0°. One more thing I have missed, that is what? Angle. We have to mention angle also. The complementary angle of 90° is 0°. Is it easy? Yes or no?
Yes.
One more question.
Yes,
That
sir.
is the
Yes,
seventh one.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. So now we are going to solve the seventh question. Just try to understand this question. Well, I've done this. Done with the sixth one. Or do you need
Yes.
time? You all need time to write this question? Or you will have done?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Good. So we will move to the next
Yes,
question.
sir.
That is last question of the what? Question number 1. That is x degree. So they have given x degree angle. So suppose when we get an angle of what? X degree. They have given what? X degree angle. So what we will write at this place? Let the complementary angle
Not finished.
be, again I'm writing m, let's say. You can write y also. Let the complementary angle of this is what? Y. Let's say we will take y now. Okay, so very simple. Therefore, x degree plus y degree, that summation become what? Equal to 90 degree. Okay, and we will write in front of that complementary angle. Okay, what we get? See, they have given x degree, right? As we have done in a previous example, we are taking 90. 90 is given. We are taking 90 to the right hand side, right? Same manner, at this place, what we will do, we will take x to the right hand side. So what we get? Y degree, that is equal to 90 minus x.
90 minus x.
90 minus x. So we will say that, see, we can't do anything right now. So what we will write? 90 minus x become what? The our complementary angle of what? Angle x. So at the end answer, we will write the complementary, well at the what? The complementary angle of x degree is 90 minus x. 90 minus x. Is it easy? Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, listen
Yes, sir.
carefully. One
Yes,
more thing,
sir.
listen
Yes, sir.
carefully. The entire
sir.
thing, whatever we have discussed now, you will get this video on my channel. See, spelling you have to write in a correct manner. That is what maths, FUNDAA. Okay, so this is the channel name. I'm going to upload the entire thing, whatever we have discussed today. Okay, so you can go and you can subscribe if you want, otherwise no use. If you want, you can subscribe. Okay, then you will get this video on that channel. Okay, so you can revise the entire thing from that channel. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
is it clear to everyone? Just keep in your mind, this is what the spelling you have to write in a correct
Yes,
manner.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.